Add groundnut oil in the cooker and add chopped shallots or 1 medium onion and mix it. Cut 12 to 15 chilies as shown. When the onions turn brown, add 1.5 tablespoon methi seeds and mix it. And also add washed tur dal, which is sufficient for 6 to 7%. Mix it once and then again add the cut chilies and again mix it. When all this is done, add pinch of turmeric powder, asafoetida. And next add the sorrel leaves and mix it once. Add the leaves partially. By mixing it often, leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add water sufficient for the added tur dal. And mix it once and close the lid, leave it for 4 to 5 whistles. Open the lid, add rock salt according to the taste and mix it once by adding hot water. Smash all those things well so it gives out a very good taste. Finally, in a pan add groundnut oil. When it is heated, add mustard seeds and let it splatter. Add jeera, chana dal and urad dal and also dry red chilies and onions and mix it well. Once the onions turn brown, add the curry leaves. Mix it once and turn off the flame. Add all those into the dal and mix it again. And now this dal is ready to serve.